The camera industry just hit a breaking point, and Sony just threw the heaviest punch we've seen in a decade. For years, we thought the ultra-premium compact market was a two-horse race between the Leica Q series and Fujifilm's X100. But today, the silence has been broken. Welcome back to Tap Tech, and today, we are diving deep into the ghost that has finally returned, the Sony RX1R III. Sony didn't just update a camera. They re-engineered what it means to carry a full-frame beast in your pocket. If you think your smartphone or your bulky mirrorless is enough, wait until you see the sensor specs they've managed to cram into this chassis. Stick around, because we're breaking down why this powerhouse is either the greatest engineering feat of 2026 or a high-stakes gamble that could change Sony's lineup forever. Let's be real for a second. The original RX1 series was a cult classic. It was the camera you bought when you wanted zero compromises on image quality but refused to carry a backpack. But since the previous generation, we've heard nothing. Crickets. Until now. Sony has finally pulled the curtain back on the RX1R III, and it is a fascinating blend of refined ergonomics and a level of internal processing that borders on the futuristic. First, let's talk about the heart of this machine. Sony has integrated a new 61-megapixel XMOR back-illuminated CMOS sensor. This isn't just a bump in numbers, it's a legendary piece of glass and silicon architecture. We're talking about 15 stops of dynamic range and a level of detail that allows you to crop into a photo and still have a professional-grade image for large-format printing. But here is where the technical edge really comes in. Sony paired this sensor with the new Bion's XR processing engine and, for the first time in this specific series, a dedicated AI processing unit. Why does an AI unit matter in a fixed-lens camera? Because it changes the game for street and travel photography. The RX1R III now features real-time recognition AF. It doesn't just find an eye, it understands human poses, animals, birds, insects, and even vehicles. Imagine walking through a crowded street in New York or London. The camera stays locked on your subject even if they turn around or walk behind a lamppost. It's predictive, it's fast, and it makes older autofocus systems feel like vintage relics. When you are shooting at 35mm, you are often in the thick of the action. You need a camera that thinks as fast as you do, and the AI integration here ensures that your hit rate is nearly 100%, even when shooting wide open at f2. Now, let's address the lens. Sony decided to stick with the Zeiss T 35mm f2. Some critics might call this a missed opportunity for a faster aperture, but let's look at the physics of the matter. This lens was designed specifically for this sensor's flange distance. It is matched at a micron level to ensure that light hits the edges of the sensor without distortion or chromatic aberration. At f2, the bokeh is creamy and organic, and the central sharpness is, quite frankly, terrifyingly good. However, Sony added a step crop shooting function to give us the versatility we've been craving. With a single button press, you can toggle between 35, 50, and 70mm focal lengths. And because you have 61 megapixels to play with, even at the 70mm crop, you're still getting a high-resolution 15-megapixel file that rivals many dedicated crop sensor cameras. Physically, the RX1R III is a masterclass in miniaturization. It's carved from a magnesium alloy that feels like a solid block of granite in your hand, but they've made some radical changes to the body. The pop-up electronic viewfinder from the previous model is gone. In its place is a fixed, high-resolution, 2.36 million OLED viewfinder built directly into the corner of the body. This makes the camera more durable, removes moving parts that could break, and makes it faster to deploy from a pocket. The rear screen is now a full touchscreen, which is a massive win for navigating those complex Sony menus. One of the most requested features for this line has finally arrived: weather sealing. The RX1R III is now environmentally sealed against dust and moisture. For a camera designed to be your everyday carry, this was the missing piece of the puzzle. You can now take this into a light drizzle or a dusty trail without hesitation. This transforms the RX1R III from a fair-weather boutique camera into a rugged tool for the adventurous professional. Let's talk about the video side of things because high-end creators always want to know if a compact can pull double duty. The RX1R III isn't a cinema camera, but it's no slouch. It shoots 4K at up to 60p with 10-bit 4.2.2 internal recording. It supports S-Log 3 and S-Cinetone, meaning the colors coming out of this tiny box match the professional FX and Alpha lines perfectly. It even includes active mode electronic stabilization. While there's no physical IBIS, there's simply no room in a chassis this small without compromising the lens mount. The combination of the AI chip and electronic gyro metadata makes handheld 4K footage look incredibly stable in post-production. Battery life has always been the Achilles heel of small premium cameras. The good news is that Sony has optimized the power consumption of the Bion ZXR chip significantly. While it still uses a compact battery to keep the weight down, you're looking at a 30% increase in shots per charge compared to the Mark II. Plus, with USB-C power delivery, you can charge the camera to 50% in just 30 minutes using a standard laptop charger or power bank. But who is this camera for? It's clearly aiming for the luxury professional and the dedicated enthusiast. It's for the photographer who has a heavy setup for work, but wants that same elite performance in a body that fits in a jacket pocket. It's for the street photographer who wants to remain invisible while capturing images that look like they were shot on a medium format system. When you compare it to the competition, the Sony offers a more advanced autofocus system and a more modern digital workflow. It is a niche product, but for that niche, it represents the absolute pinnacle of what is possible in 2026. The Sony RX1R III is more than just a camera. It is a statement. It says that despite the rise of computational photography in smartphones, there is no substitute for world-class glass and a massive full-frame sensor. It challenges us to look at the world through a single focal length and find the beauty in the constraints. Is it the ultimate travel companion? For those who demand the best, the answer is a resounding yes. If you're a purist who lives and breathes the 35mm perspective, this is likely the last camera you'll ever need to buy. It's sleek, it's powerful, and it's a testament to Sony's engineering prowess. I want to hear from you. Does a fixed lens limit your creativity, or does it free you from the burden of choice? Does the addition of AI and weather sealing make this the perfect compact? Let us know your thoughts. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the latest tech, make sure to support the channel so we can keep bringing you the most authentic gear reviews on the platform. Stay tuned for our next breakdown where we take this beast into the streets to see how those 61 megapixels handle real-world lighting. Thanks for watching Tap Tech, and I'll catch you in the next one.